Hi, I'm Judy Ludy, and this is Puppet. Puppet. Did you not realize we had an early call time this morning?
Oh, what time is it? Oh, this the life of a sophisticated man of leisure. What a night. So many shots. First, Gary bring out fruit cocktail shots, then Larry bring out shrimp cocktail shots. Oh, me feeling it today.
Puppet. Well, clearly you've had an evening because of the way you've come to set in your, what shall we call the sophisticated...
My smoking jacket.
Your smoking jacket.
Yeah.
Coincidentally, that will work with what we are going to be preparing today.
That not seem like coincidence at all.
Well...
Go ahead.
We are making the sophisticated pre-dinner cocktail to pair clearly with your sophisticated evening wear.
Yeah.
It's called the classic Negroni.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what that is?
Not really.
Well, much like the Aperol Spritz, and in part of the same family as the aperitif, it uses CAMPARI instead of Aperol.
Yeah.
And do you know what the difference between CAMPARI and Aperol is?
Not at all.
Well, CAMPARI is the bitter cousin to the sweeter Aperol.
Oh, bitter cousin. Just like my cousin Vincenzo. Nobody bring down a room like that guy.
Well, shall we start with that?
Yep.
All right. So the way to remember this cocktail is it's 1 to 1 to 1.
Yep.
1 part's gin, 1 part CAMPARI, and 1 part sweet vermouth.
Okay.
And if you wanted to batch it for a party, so you could put it in a pitcher, it's 1 to 1 to 1. So it's a cup of gin, a cup of CAMPARI, and a cup of sweet vermouth.
Ugh.
But today we're going to make...
Me inviting you to Larry and Gary's party. That your speed.
I think I enjoy that quite much.
Keep going.
So we're going to make 1 single serving today.
Yep.
So first we're going to start with the gin. Remember, it's 1 to 1 to 1. And oh my, that's a big pour. Okay, 1 ounce gin in the shaker.
Wow.
Get
that
it?
Like gas. Kerosene.
1 part CAMPARI. And remember, the bitter cousin to the sweeter Aperol.
Yep. Vincenzo shot. That's what me call it.
And then 1 ounce of the sweet vermouth.
Wow.
1 to 1 to 1. Shake it all up.
Shake it.
30 seconds shake. Kills it in the
That enough for camera.
All right, that
Hold
enough. You're
moving.
right. Probably hurts your head, doesn't it?
Not need to hear all that.
Strain it in a glass. Smell that. Look how beautiful.
Oh, very pretty.
Garnish with your favorite, usually a blood orange or an orange. And there you have it. The classic pre-dinner cocktail, the Negroni.
Negroni.
And I thought...
Sound great.
Well, because there's alcohol in it and you don't drink, we're going to do your own. We're going to do one for you. And you know what?
What?
I'm going to call this the Gadabout.
The Gadabout? What's that about?
Because you're clearly gadding about in the evening. So we're going to make this special cocktail for you. It's 1 ounce of grenadine.
Yeah.
Then ginger beer.
Larry and Gary Gadabouts. You just show up.
You just show up. Look how beautiful that is. And then we're going to top it off with a maraschino cherry. It's much like the Shirley Temple. But look at that. Look how beautiful.
Oh, hold that up.
Look how beautiful.
Oh, that pretty.
You love that.
Yeah,
Take a little smell.
Oh, yeah.
That'll set you straight.
Do something.
All right, so there you have it. This week we did the classic dinner cocktail of the Negroni.
Yep.
And recipes and tips are below as usual.
Oh yeah. Hit like button, hit subscribe button, any other button. Just see me seeing a lot of buttons today.
I bet you are.
So, do what you gotta.
Puppet, I bet you are. So let's thank our guests, and we'll see
you.
them here next week.
Me gonna lie down for a bit now. Thank you.
You're welcome,
keep
Puppet.
talking, lady.
That's it for this week. Thank you. And we'll be back next week, hopefully, with a more alert Puppet.
Yeah, okay, whatever. See you later.
Thank you.